Women were often deprived of equal opportunities in the workplace, from financial inclusion to empowerment in the financial ecosystem. Thus, the Namibia Women in Finance and Insurance Summit 2025 aims to close the gaps that hinder women's progress in business, at the workplace, and in the digital space. The summit saw women from different walks of life engage in discussions about women empowerment and progress made in terms of the finance and insurance sectors. Namibia's Accountant General Tanya Nankela highlighted the need for women to be provided with funds for their businesses, as women face specific challenges when it comes to financing. They further face difficulty in gaining access to leaders and the digital economy.
We must tackle three key things together. The first one being access. We must remove the invisible walls that keep women out of leadership, out of funding, and out of digital economy. Financial inclusion must start with equal access to credit, capital, and confidence. The second aspect is design. We need financial and insurance products designed by women, not just marketed to women. Because trust me, if your app assumes that I have the same income cycle as a man who get paid monthly, but I ran a market style with weekly income, you are not solving basically my problem.
The Minister of Gender Equality and Child Welfare, Emma Kantema, said to curb inequality for women living in the rural areas, digital world programs should be implemented for them to make sure that they too can run the business and have access to finances.
So this is evidence that I'm sharing, amplifying to say that, look, women get disproportionately affected by factors for us to succeed in an economic space. So I'm very much excited to see that you are coming on board as a private sector, Namibia Women in Finance. A huge congratulations for initiatives such as this, because it really empowers our women, and in a larger space, it affects or it impacts the entire population. Secondly, I looked at the organizational factors that also looked at the issues of access to finance. And not just finance, but equitable finance. Because you can get the startup capital, but you still need more funds for you to upscale. That's why you find that you start up your company, your business, and you don't grow. We want to see that our SMEs are graduating.
Hendrina Canyolo, Business Today, Windhoek.